Now in this video we're going to look at setting a homepage photo or hero image for your website. So let's move away from the galleries and head on over to the website, navigation and pages. So we see here 4 default pages that are set up in your account when you first open your account. Very quickly, notice that we have a home icon here. I can actually change which page on my site behaves as the home page by clicking these set as homepage image buttons over here. Just a quick aside, if you'd like for your portfolio to be the first thing that customers see when your site loads, you can simply do that by hitting that page there, hitting that button there rather. So let's dig into the home edit page details. I can change the page title obviously. I can also control the content or the text within the body of my home page. Pay special attention here to this slider code we have up the top. This is essentially the code that embeds the default slideshow on your home page when you first open the account. So if I use the View Site button to load my website, then we see these example images are scrolling through in a slideshow. Now, we don't really want that to be there because we've got our own images to use. So select that code and delete it. We're going to replace that with a static homepage image of our own, and later in the next video we'll also show you how to set up your own slideshow if you prefer. For the moment, I'm going to remove that lorem ipsum text and replace it with my own intro text I prepared earlier so you don't get to see how scratchy my typing is. And let's scroll now to the bottom of the page. So here we have a section called Hero Image, which is obviously what we're after. Hit the Choose a Page Image link. This brings up all my galleries. These first 4 are obviously example galleries. I want you to use my own gallery, and I'm going to select that shot there to be my hero image. So we have our own image in place. One thing to note here is that we can actually choose for that image to link to a page within our website. At the moment, that image is not linking anywhere, it's not interactive. I'd like for that to actually take my customers straight to my portfolio page. So I'm going to set the portfolio option there, and I'm going to save those changes. So let's now take another look at the live website I've already launched, and I'm going to hit that tab. And I'm now going to refresh that page to make sure I can see the changes I've just made. And here we go. My hero image is in place, my text is in place, and if I click that image, that's going to take my customers to my portfolio page. Come back to the home page again, and let's go back to the interface. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the layout of our page. You'll notice if we scroll down to the layout setting, by default we're using the Home Classic layout where the image sits on the right and the text in a column on the left. If you'd prefer for that image to sit all the way across the top of your page and have the text sit underneath, then you can come over and choose the Home Panorama shot. If we scroll down now to our hero image, I've now got access to an image size dropbox. That wasn't here before, but now I can come down and select the largest option, 974, and hit save once again. Now let's go over to the live site once more, and you'll see if I refresh this time that my hero image is set to take up the full screen, and my text now sits below. Obviously this would probably work better with a panoramic image. This image at the moment looks really large, but if you had a proper panoramic shot, that would fit in nicely. So that's setting your homepage hero image. If instead you'd like to use a slider or create your own slideshow, then stay with us and we'll go through that in the next vid.